Fascinating rainfall statistics, global and regional patterns. The average annual rainfall in the Amazon rainforest exceeds 80 inches, making it one of the wettest places. Regions like the Sahara receive less than 3 inches of rain annually, showcasing extreme dryness. Global rainfall patterns are shifting, with some areas experiencing drought while others face flooding. Climate change is intensifying rainfall events, leading to heavier downpours and increased flood risks. Surprisingly, around 70% of the world's fresh water comes from rainfall, vital for ecosystems and humans. Stay informed and subscribe for more intriguing facts.